Bear Cub Hollow. Here's the road where it comes up. This is going to be the lot across the street. There's a house up there. And it goes on up this direction. I think there's one more house up there. And then the lot, the skinny part, starts kind of up in here. And it runs back to where you can see these trees back in there. It runs back there. Here's a shot of the bigger creek, and there is a lot that needs cleared to get in here to really enjoy the creek, but you can see there's a good amount of water there, and you've got two things going on. There's water coming out of that culvert and heading down, and there's also water coming down the little canyon. So you have two creeks that intersect back in here. And we're gonna go around and back over to the top part where you can see where the building envelope is. I'll take you back there. Okay, right now we are on the skinny part looking south. Here are the trees in front. Over here on the left is the bigger creek, and over here on the right is the little creek. We're gonna go down and then back up. So I'll show you the little creek in just a second. Okay, now we're down in the hollow. This is the little creek. It's probably 2.5 feet wide. And it just kind of goes down. Really gentle and fun. There's a lot of cleanup that needs to happen down in here, but you're going to find that with any river lot that's not already developed. I'm going to go try and find a spot to get in to see the bigger creek. Maybe we can even find a spot where they connect. Okay, we're on the back side of the lot now. This here is the National Forest boundary, and it goes down there. That's where we just were at the little creek. You can see it there. If you continue on over, there's that house I pointed out first. So the road is now back over here, and the creek goes downhill this way. We're gonna walk off over this direction where you would build a house. Got great wildflowers. It's pretty green. Looks pretty good. On your right over here, this fence is National Forest. This is going to be our southern property line right here. So that's looking back at what we just walked through. National Forest is right there. And the creek's down here. So we're gonna go see if we can find a good spot to look at the water. But anywhere back in here would be a great home site. Whether you want up high to catch the views, or down low to hear the water. You can hear the water from here quite well. And here are the two houses up here. There's one and there's one. This is actually a really neat piece of granite here. If you swept it off and cleaned it up, it'd be pretty cool. That's looking back on it. You've got some moss-covered rock here. Go see what we can find. Yeah, here we go. So this is Bear Creek. Pretty decent sized creek for our neck of the woods. A little water snake, do you see him? Looking to see if I can find any little fish. There are little fish in here. Certainly not big ones. Okay, now we're heading back north. I'm going to see if I can't find where those two little creeks, where the little creek comes into the big one. It is green and pretty down here. Look at those wildflowers. So here's the little creek. And the big one's down here. I'm going to have to pause for a minute. Alright, here we go. And here's a shot of the creek. And over here on the right is where the little one comes in. And you could have so much fun with this. You can dig it out. You can improve it. You can cut the trees back. You can landscape it. You just can't divert or hold back the water. You could make it a wonderful little oasis down here. It could be so cool. Make a swimming hole. Yeah, go for it. And then all of this stuff between you and the road, you can leave that. Just clear your side and keep it private. Anyway. Back in here, there's a little, I don't know if you can see it, little waterfall back there. I love it. Anyway, this is the one on Bear Cub Hollow. Have a great day.